Howdy y'all, welcome back. Forgot to start the video before I put this on. It was kind of a booger to get in. Get yourself a small block of wood to tap it in with. But I fought these rubber gaskets that was in there. Once you get it to this point, it's pretty decent. Inside of here, I'll show you with the old gasket that I have. There's a big side and there's a little side. Make sure that this big side, it sits like this inside of there. Make sure that this thick side is facing up to this plate. Otherwise you have to pull it back off and fix it. You will need a 5/8 wrench and a 3/16 Allen wrench or Allen key to fit this. That way you can adjust how easily it spins, but unless you didn't pull it apart, but then we're gonna get our bolts and we're gonna get them started. Put you in my drill here, where the phone likes to stay. That doesn't want to go in. Well, they sold me the wrong bolts. Well, I gotta go get that bolt, so I'm gonna take one of these with me, because this is the helicoil right here. These bolts fit just fine, but the new ones don't, so I gotta go get bolts for that. But you'll get these tightened down. I've never really done anything with the torque wrench much, so it's gonna be a 9/16 socket to put these on, so excuse me. Well, maybe what I can do is I can try to see if I can't save this other bolt, but no. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more screws and we will go to that point once we get there, but we're gonna get this tightened down and that's pretty much it for rebuilding this thing. Our next step would be is to get this new one, or I shouldn't say new, but this gearbox here, I'm gonna go ahead and get it painted up. I'm gonna get it painted black and then we'll get it installed on the truck. So I'm gonna get this bracket here painted, and I'm gonna get this painted up. Excuse me. So we'll kind of get to that point when we get there, but yeah, it's kind of it right now. I mean, if you're not wanting to paint it, then that's what the next video is gonna be when after this thing's painted, more than likely. Or painting it, one of the two. Anyways, I'm gonna get this thing all sprayed up, or I mean painted up, and yeah. Well, I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.